Now, I know I told you in the last video that I wasn't gonna post another video till July, but while I was editing this video, I hit 5,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough for your continued support. So in saying that, in today's video, I'm gonna give away a set of DRLs. So if you wanna be in the running to win these, make sure to stay till the end of the video to find out how to enter. Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the channel for another install video. This one you guys have been waiting for a while. I asked you guys in a poll on the community tab on my channel which one you wanted to see first, the diffuser or the steering wheel. It was about 70-30 the diffuser. I really got to thank my man K-Poo on Instagram. Make sure to check him out. He's the one who hooked me up with this diffuser. He's got some other stuff too, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link to his Instagram. Send him a message, hit him up, let him know you want something. My man, thank you, brother. I greatly appreciate it. All right, so this thing is awesome. Now, it's not the Yofer diffuser, it's the ACR. I actually prefer this one over the Yofer. They're pretty similar. And my boy Mike is here to help me out. I recommend you having a helper. It just makes it that much easier to get on. Now, as always, you make sure you test fit it just to make sure everything lines up. So that's what Mike and I are gonna do now. All right, Mike, you wanna grab this side for me, brother? Get 2 screws on either end. I believe 2 up underneath, and then run tape all around the top. Yeah, that seems like pretty easy. As most of you know, I just had the car painted in the rear. Got rear-ended, so they replaced the trunk and the bumper. The bumper has been painted for roughly about 3 weeks, so there is no issue putting double-sided tape on here. Now for the spoiler that I'm gonna put back on, that one I'm gonna have to wait a couple more days for, let the paint cure a little bit longer, because that's only been painted for about 5-6 days. So I'll probably gonna let it run about 10, and then I'll throw the spoiler on. But we're not here for the spoiler. All right, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use these 2 screws. I'm going to have to drill a couple holes in here. Well, actually, I won't drill them. I'll just do it by hand. That way I don't have to take the wheel off. But I'll have to drill a couple holes, probably roughly around here and here. Same on the other side. And then I can drill a hole here, another hole here. So it does come with 7 screws and some double-sided tape. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark for where I'm going to make some holes. Ooh, we're going to be able to use one. And we'll do another one right. So I'm gonna use a 5/32 bit and see if this is the right size. Like, we shouldn't have left that door open earlier. All these bugs, man. It's horrible.
We?
Or me, sorry. Think that'll work? All right, and then for these, I'm just gonna drill them right in the center. And then if we have to do any more underneath, I'd rather just get these 6 on. They did provide 7, so if there is another place, I'll put that on once we get it on. So what we need to do next is, we need to take this 3M tape. In fact, I'm not even gonna use this stuff. I'm gonna use some other stuff because I don't trust this stuff. It never holds really good, the stuff that they provide from the factory. We have some better 3M tape here at work. So that's what we're gonna use. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt, it's because on the way here, I spilled coffee all over myself. All right, unfortunately, I couldn't find our double-sided tape, so I am gonna have to use this. And you got a little bit left. Now what I probably should have done is put a bonding agent on here. And what I would really like to do is put a bonding agent on the bumper, but since it's freshly painted, kind of scares me. I do have some bonding agent, but I think the screws and the tape alone should be okay. All right, next step is we gotta put the light in, but before we do that, we gotta put some double-sided tape. As I said earlier, there is a little bit left, so we're gonna run a little piece right in here so that it can stick right in here. All right, just like that. And then there is a hole already there. You don't have to drill one. So make sure you put the wire at the top. And we'll just feed it through. And then we'll take this backing off. Be sure to press it on there really good. That'll work. All right, just like you cleaned off the diffuser, we need to clean off the bumper before we put it on. All right, it's time to throw it on. Pretty close. That top hole, is that right up where the screw is? 'Cause mine is. Guys, you don't need a drill. You can do it all by hand. It goes right in. It's not a little bit of force and it goes right in. So you don't need to drill a hole in the bumper itself. I think the exhaust will be okay. Probably a good 1.5 inches away from the sides. All right, so all the screws are in. Now what we got to do next is we got to pull the right tail light out, and we got to hook the wire up. Now the main reason why I'm picking this one is because it's the easiest one to take out because those white tabs need replaced on the inside. So should just pop right out. See how easy that came out? Should not be that easy, folks. It should not be that easy. So all we got left is to run this wire and get it plugged in. So I'm gonna hop on the ground and do that. Mike, I might need you to reach up and grab it if you would, please. Because I really can't get my arm up here any further.
That was really close.
My arm's too big, I can't get up here any further. So I'm just gonna stretch it up.
Oh, hold on. A little bit to your right. A little more. Go that way a little bit.
I'm way over.
Yeah, now you're too far over. A little more, a little more. Right there, straight up. Got it.
Nice. All right, since I already have the sequential lenses here, I already have wires that I can just plug it right in. Oh my God. It just fell. You gotta be kidding me.
All right.
All right, let's do it again. All right, so we got a yellow, black, and red. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unscrew the red, the yellow, and all right, now what we need to do first, as always, we need to check it and make sure it works first before we button everything up.
Good.
All right, that's all it's for, is for a brake light. But Mike, you did say it did something when you locked it or unlocked the doors, right?
Flashed.
Oh, so it flashes. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. All right, it works. So I just gotta throw the screws back in here. We'll throw this broken cover back on. That'll be replaced here. Hopefully in the next week or so, hopefully it comes in. All right, that's it. She's complete.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my packs, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take.
She is looking fire. I mean, fire. I can't thank Hands Out Pew enough. Hit him up on IG at KPew. I will leave his Instagram right here and in the description. If you're looking for a part, hit him up. I know he has diffusers. I think he has carbon fiber hoods, and I did talk to him about taillights. Hands Out, thank you so much. You and your boy Nick, I can't thank you guys enough, man. Thank you so much. Now, if you'd like to be entered to win these DRLs, you gotta do 3 things. Number 1, you gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta leave a like on this video. And number 3, leave a peace emoji in the comments. Yeah, just leave a peace emoji in the comments, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I'll see you in the steering wheel video. All right, that's it. She's good.